Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect and integrate your GoDaddy website builder with Stripe. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do, if you have not already, is go to the GoDaddy website builder. So you can go to godaddy.com and from here it's going to open up your dashboard. So in this dashboard you can go and take a look at your website and we're going to have the edit option right here. Once you click edit, it's going to open up your website in editor mode and now we can get started with setting it up. So what we're going to be looking for is this store section right here at the right side of the screen. In this edit menu, open up store and here you're going to have your store widgets and you can go and set up your online store and take a look at the featured categories and store actions you have. So basically from this online store option, you're going to go and be able to access your settings. I am currently not on a premium plan. You need a premium plan to be able to do so. So if you need to, just go ahead and upgrade your plan and after that you're going to go and be able to access your online store. And after accessing it, you're going to see an option for online payments, and from online payments you are going to go and be able to access Stripe because online payments is going to be offering that as an option, and you can just drag and drop it into whatever section you want and what page, whatever you want, and just like that you're going to go and be able to implement Stripe payments into your GoDaddy website that you have created right here. You just need a premium plan. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.